With me, aka Pobo's coming to you with another review of the Air Jordan 4 Lightning. This time it's an in-depth review of it, since we kind of messed up on the first one. So you see the colors: tour, yellow, dark blue, gray, white. See the style code and the barcode right there, and the size. The Jumpman. Let's move on to the box. Top of the box. See? Nice. See, it's a regular Jumpman box. Here's the shoes. Shoes. Yes, sir. Ziploc. To keep the shoes fresh. Of course, we're gonna wear them. We're just ziplocking them for now because it's a break. Don't really feel like breaking them out. No, the shoes box. See here, there's a retro card. Alright, so there's the retro card, Air Jordan 4. Here's the laces and the lace bag. It doesn't come with it, but we just put it in there, you know, keep fresh. There's a paper. But it has details on it. Because it's from the CDP 1112. We add some spunk into it. Some spunk. S-P-U-N-K, spunk. So let's get onto the shoes themselves. There you go. So there's the shoes, as you can see, ziplocked, fresh. Of course, they're VNDS, very near desktop. We got them for a really good price. Here's the paper. It makes smell fresh. You can almost smell from where you are. So fresh you are. There it is. So let's get on. There's another one down here. Don't eat shit. Keep it fresh. So here are the actual shoes themselves. See, very fresh. See, you can see. Hold it. Inserts. Yes, sir. Inserts. There. All right. Just over your look. Shoes. Back. So here's our 5-inch Automorphin Power Ranger figure, the originals, Power Rangers from 1993. Yeah, we got that multi-versatile swag. There. So there's an overview of the shoes. If you want to see slower, just pause the video and watch them. Alright, so here's the shoes up. All around the shoe is a very good nubuck material, or durabuck. I think it's nubuck. I don't know which one. Correct me if I'm wrong. There's a toe box. Very nice. Alright, and here's our yellow laces. You know, I think it comes with a black replacement or yellow replacement. Yeah. Or maybe no replacement. Again, correct me if I'm wrong. Here's the shoes. Here you see from the tongue, gray. Just like the cool grays. If you haven't seen the review on that, check that out. Because they're the cool grays. See yellow flight lettering right there. Both shoes. Very good nubuck around the tongue. As you can see from the behind the tongue, it's gray material, and the sock liner, it's yellow, which can get dirty easily if you wear black socks instead. Show both. One remove the other. There, and you see from the back tab, here, back. You see two Jumpmans, gray. See the back tab with the grooves. Then the Air Jordan. See Air Jordan backwards with gray lettering and white surrounding it. Background, yellow background. Yellow background, yellow background. They're same both shoes. I won't show you the same one. Here's insoles. Both shoes show black netting. I think it's gray. Dark gray? Yeah, I think it's dark gray. I might be wrong. Could be black, dark gray. Same difference. You see? Around the shoe, and see the lace holder. The wings of the Air Jordan 4, gray, and plastic right here to hold the shoelaces. Same from here. Let me see. See yellow stitching around yellow nubuck. There. See what gray rubber on the midsole. Sorry, white. It's a white. Same on the other shoe. See the air unit. See if you see through. See, you can see the other shoe. Other shoe. Size of the shoe. Same thing. You know what it is. Here's the bottoms of the shoe. Yellow Jumpman, hints of white, gray, and yellow, gray stars. Gray stars. Sorry about that. And gray stitching near the toe box. The toe cap. On the midsole. I think that's about it for the shoes. And I think that's about it for the shoes. We'll be right back with the short socks, long socks, jeans review. I mean, off feet review. Show in many ways. All right. With short socks, or with shorts, or with cargos, anything you want. Here's the gist of it. Very clean feet. Sorry about that. Fail. There. Okay. So how? Your long socks. Backwards socks. Yeah. Very nice. My brother, shouts out to the cameraman, my brother, who did the laces and filming. Very good. Here's the side. Yeah, so we'll be back with the jeans review. So here's what it looks like on jeans with the jeans cuffed up. It's good to love. Here's what it looks like. Jeans cuffed down. Let's go back. And if you don't want to show off, you can just wear it over your tongue. It looks pretty clean because of the laces. Yeah, and here's what was like cuffed and above the tongue. If that's how you roll. So you look fresh either ways. Shorts, jeans, cuffed jeans, uncuffed jeans. Be careful of jean stains. Yeah, we'll make sure you like, rate, comment, subscribe, thumbs up. Check out Plunder and click the description box. And we're coming we're going to have more videos on Cool Grays and Air Novels are coming out, and we're gonna have restoration videos, tips, how-to videos. So which features my brother because he knows how to do that stuff. Yeah, we possibly do that, you know. So yeah, make sure you like, rate, comment, subscribe, and yeah, peace. I'll get that.